planning a road trip from Dubai to Oman? We've got you covered with some helpful travel tips to make your journey smooth and enjoyable. First and foremost, make sure you have all the necessary paperwork to cross the border, including your passport, UAE residence visa, and Oman visa. You'll also need a valid driving license and car insurance, so keep these documents handy. Before setting off, check the road conditions and weather forecast. The drive from Dubai to Oman can take several hours, so it's important to be prepared for any potential delays or challenges. Don't forget to pack plenty of water and snacks for the journey. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially during the hot summer months when temperatures can soar. To protect yourself from the desert sun, wear sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat. Taking precautions against sunburn and heat exhaustion is essential. Last but not least, enjoy the journey. The drive from Dubai to Oman is breathtaking, with plenty of scenic views and landmarks to explore along the way. Take breaks at rest areas, snap photos, and embrace the adventure. If you have any questions about the cost of the Oman border fee and insurance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to assist you. With these travel tips, you're all set for an unforgettable road trip from Dubai to Oman. Have a safe journey, and enjoy every moment.